Let's do it. How's it going? We're here for day 30 of Fergal's Tune a Day. I'm back in Freight and Salvage in Berkeley, just outside San Francisco, and we are joined again by Dave and Leslie, who were on the other day on the rail car, the, what is it called? Cable car, downtown. And Joe has produced the bodhran, which is great. Took a little bit of convincing. And we have Jenny on fiddle and Dana on banjo. And Joe, what are we playing?
We're going to play a great rocking Scottish tune by the Scottish musician Farquhar MacDonald. And when he originally wrote this tune, he wanted to call it the Frozen Haddock, but his friend said it's way too rocking for that title, so instead he called it after a pub on the Isle of Skye called the Tongadale.
Sounds fishy.
1, 2, 3, 4. Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you kindly. See you tomorrow. Bye now.
Woohoo!
Woohoo!
That was cool.
That went a lot better.
Thank you.